In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Namecheap email quickly and easily, so you can get straight into your mailbox without any confusion. If you use Namecheap for your domain email, this is the fastest way to access your messages from CPanel. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap CPanel account. Once you're inside CPanel, look for the email section. This is where all of your email tools and settings are stored, so take a moment to scan the page if you don't see it right away. After you find the email section, click Email Accounts. This will open a list of all the email addresses connected to your Namecheap account or hosting plan. Now find the specific email address you want to open. If you have more than one mailbox, make sure you select the correct one so you don't end up in the wrong inbox. Next to that email address, click Check Email. This is the option that lets you access the Webmail interface for that mailbox. After that, you'll usually see an option to open. Click Open to access your mailbox. At this point, your Namecheap email should load, and you'll be able to read, send, and manage your messages right from the browser. If you ever need to get back into the same inbox later, just repeat these same steps. Log into CPanel, go to Email Accounts, choose your email address, click Check Email, and then click Open. It's a simple process once you know where everything is located, and it can save you time compared to searching through menus. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.